Okay, let's try to solve today's Leetcode problem 1630 arithmetic subarrays. Now, what this question says, a sequence of number is called arithmetic if it consists of at least two elements and the difference between every two elements or consecutive elements is the same. Just like here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is a arithmetic sequence because 1 and 3 has a common difference of 2, 5 and 3 is a common difference of 2, 7 and 5 has a common difference of 2, and 9 and 7 has a common difference of 2. In the second example, 7777 has all the 3 and minus 1 has a common difference of 4, minus 1 and minus 5 has a common difference of 4, and minus 5 and minus 9 has a common difference of 4. Now we have given an integer array, nums, and two arrays of m integers called left and right. So what we have to do is, we have to, on the basis of we have to check that whether the particular subarray is an EP or not. It is basically an arithmetic progression question. So let's try to understand by this problem. Okay, so let me give them a index so you can understand better. Now here we have left and right array, and on the basis of these index we have to check like whether the subarray is in EP or not. For example, the first one here is 0 to 2. Now we can check from these elements 4, 6 and 5, and on the basis of these elements we have to check whether it is in arithmetic progression or not. Now what we can do is we can sort this array here. So on basis of sorting it will become 4, 5 and 6, and hence every element here has difference of 1. So we'll push true into our answer. Now let's check for the second one, 0 to 3. So here is 0 and this one is 3. So 4, 6, 5, 9. Let's again sort them. They will become 4, 5, 6, 9. This one has one common difference, this one has one common difference, but these two elements have 3. So we'll push false. And let's check for 2 and 5. I'm so sorry if you are confused by my drawing, but I'm not very good at it. I'm using mouse, that's why. So let's check from 2 to 5. Now the elements are 5, 9, 3, 7. Again, let's sort them. Becomes 3, 5, 7, and 9. And on the basis of them, we can check like these two have a common difference of 2, these two have a common difference of 2, and these two have a common difference of 2. Now, why we are sorting? Because why we are sorting it? Because then we can rearrange the elements, and on the basis of that, it is very easy to check if it is in AP or not. So let's solve this question. Let's get the query size. First of all, we get a query size. So we can call it n, and this will the query size. Now let's loop through the array. Now, as mentioned here, we have to check for these two elements, these two subarrays. So we'll extract them from the array. So let we can call it left equals L of I. Let's call it right of R of I. Now we have these both indexes. What we have to do is we have to form a new array as we are forming here. So let's declare a new array. Let's call it array and nums dot. There is a function JavaScript called slice. We can slice from left, comma right, plus one, because this slice function only works from here till here. We have to add one more value so we can get left to right both. Now let's declare a new variable. Let's call it is AP, and we can declare a new function and check if this is an AP or not. And whatever our result is, so we'll declare a new array result, and whatever our result is, we'll push it into our array. So is AP will be pushed here. You can return is AP. Now let's create a function to check whether the array is in AP or not. Again, it is very simple. Let me call it array. So what we said it, we have to sort it the array. So we can check for arithmetic progression. Now let's sort it. So arr dot sort. Again, in JavaScript you have to use it like this. So it will be sorted in numerical order. Now let's have a common difference. Again, a class 10 mathematics formula. ARR of 1 minus ARR of 0. Now we have two elements, the difference of two elements. Now let's loop from second element till the size of array, and we'll check if array of I minus array of I minus 1 is not equal to the difference. Then we know it is not an arithmetic progression. We can return false, or here we can return true. Everything looks great. Now let's try to run it. Oh, sorry, my bad. Should be res, not is AP. Indeed, we got submitted, and let's submit this. Thank you so much, and do subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.